Hi everyone, this is Tom Cunningham. I'm the founder of CMAsnap, and I'm going to give you a top-to-bottom tour of CMAsnap's dashboard. Starting at the top left of the screen, if you click on the logo, you'll go to CMAsnap's homepage where you can manage all of your reports. Next, to begin a new report, just click the New Report button. And from there, you can start with either an address or an MLS number, and CMAsnap will either pull a listing where it's been previously listed, or it'll pull a tax record if it's never been in the MLS. In the top right navigation menu, you'll find a link to take you back to the home page. Analytics allows you to track your usage and circle back on old reports from a list view. Add-ons will take you to any of the premium features that you've subscribed to with CMAsnap, such as our TCPA compliant double opt-in text home value widget, which you can send via direct URL, text message, or embed into a marketing landing page or email. The Integrations tab displays the Chrome extensions you have available for working CMAsnap and your other tools, such as lead generators and CRMs, as well as a form for requesting additional extensions. CMAsnap's tutorials page is where you'll find a library of CMAsnap's functions, use cases, FAQs, and webinar recordings. We're constantly adding new content, so be sure and check back often. And if there's a topic you'd like us to cover, let us know. CMAsnap is, after all, built on agent feedback. And finally, you can manage your account by clicking on your email address at the top right, and there you'll find access to complete or edit your profile, manage the data sets you subscribe to, change your password, and coming soon, referral codes to give the gift of 10% off to your friends. If you invest the time to run some reports and put CMAsnap through its paces, history has shown us that breakthrough comes at around 10. By the time your trial expires, you'll come to understand how smart, fast, and simple CMAsnap is, and how you can leverage it to grow your business. When that time comes and you're ready to change your life in CMA land, click subscribe to see which payment options work for you. And once you become a subscriber, you'll see an additional tab under your email where you can manage your subscription and payment methods. And finally, if you're a rainmaker and you want to add additional team members, you click the add-on button and purchase additional licenses at a discount. On the next video, we're going to continue to dive into the dashboard, so thanks for watching and thanks for checking out CMAsnap.